Ever seen a cake decorate itself? Watch as robotic arms turn batter into edible masterpieces, faster than any human could. Yet every cake looks handcrafted. By the time you blink, a plain cake is transformed into a colorful, layered work of art. Welcome to the high-tech world of cake making, where every movement is precise, every ingredient meticulously handled, and every cake transformed into a masterpiece. This isn't your ordinary kitchen. It's a futuristic bakery where technology and creativity collide. Before the baking even begins, hygiene and safety take center stage. Every baker washes their hands thoroughly, scrubs away all traces of dirt, and dons special gloves. This ensures that every cake is not just delicious, but also perfectly clean from the very first touch. Even small details like hairnets and sanitized aprons are enforced to guarantee that safety and quality remain at the forefront. The magic starts with ingredients. Flour, sugar, eggs, and butter are carefully selected for consistency, quality, and freshness. Each ingredient is measured with extreme precision because even a small deviation can affect the cake's texture, flavor, or rise. Eggs in particular are crucial. Advanced machinery cracks them instantly and separates yolks from whites without a single mistake. This ensures a smooth, uniform batter every time. Giant industrial mixers then combine flour, sugar, and eggs into a creamy, soft base. You can almost see the transformation. Dry ingredients become a luscious, silky batter ready to become a cake. And just wait until this batter enters the ovens. It's where the real transformation begins. The batter is carefully poured into molds. Tiny air bubbles form, and workers gently tap the molds to release trapped air. This step ensures cakes will rise evenly and won't have holes or cracks. Smart ovens then take over. Maintaining the perfect temperature, they bake the cakes into golden perfection. These ovens can sense temperature fluctuations and adjust automatically, guaranteeing every cake is fluffy, soft, and evenly baked. Once baked, cakes are moved to an automatic cutting machine. Here, each cake is sliced into uniform layers, ready to be filled and decorated. Each layer is identical in thickness, ensuring every bite has the same balance of flavor and texture. From raw batter to perfectly baked layers, every step is measured, monitored, and magical. Filling adds flavor, texture, and color. Layers of chocolate ganache, fruity jams, and creamy custards are carefully added between cake layers. Each addition is perfectly portioned to avoid overpowering the cake or making it soggy. Frosting is prepared with care. Butter, sugar, milk, and vanilla are whipped into soft, silky peaks, creating a smooth canvas for decoration. The mixture is creamy, luscious, and ready to coat the cakes flawlessly. Now watch! The robotic arms step in, and this is where cake magic really comes alive. Robotic arms glide over each cake like skilled artists. They spread frosting with flawless precision, creating smooth, even layers. Then they add decorations, spirals, swirls, and intricate designs that would take a human baker hours to replicate. From simple shapes like circles and squares to more complex hearts, stars, and animal figures, every cake is unique. These robots move with incredible speed without ever losing accuracy. They add beads, patterns, and edible accents, creating masterpieces that are indistinguishable from hand-decorated cakes. Imagine watching a robot turn a plain cake into a colorful, edible work of art in seconds. Mind-blowing, right? Each cake can carry a personalized message, but these aren't pre-printed or generic. Using robotic precision, machines can write "Happy Birthday," "Congratulations," or heartfelt notes with perfect clarity. Every word is written with care, making each cake feel unique and special. A personal message transforms the dessert from mere food into a thoughtful gift, adding an emotional layer to the creativity. A robot handwriting your name on a cake technology meets personal touch in a way you'll want to see to believe. Modern cakes go beyond chocolate and vanilla. Fresh fruits are incorporated into designs, adding color, flavor, and nutritional value. Ripe strawberries, juicy blueberries, and soft banana slices are placed meticulously by robotic arms. The sweet and tart flavors of fruit blend with creamy fillings, creating a delightful symphony for your taste buds. Even matcha or lemon flavors are carefully balanced to complement textures and aesthetics. Each cake isn't just visually stunning, it's a multi-sensory experience. And yes, even the tiniest fruits are placed with perfection thanks to high-tech precision. This automated bakery produces thousands of cakes every day. Cheesecakes, pastries, bread, and custom desserts are all prepared with exact recipes. Every machine follows the process meticulously, ensuring consistency in flavor, texture, and appearance. Even with this scale, each cake appears handmade. It's the perfect blend of speed, precision, and creativity. Customers enjoy the experience of personalized, beautiful, and delicious cakes without waiting for hours in line. Speed, accuracy, and artistry combined. This is automation at its most delicious. Automation doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. Machines handle repetitive, precise tasks, freeing human bakers to focus on innovative designs and flavors. Robotic arms decorate with intricate patterns, bake cakes evenly, and even apply frosting without missing a detail. Meanwhile, bakers can test new flavor combinations, experiment with textures, and create signature designs that set this bakery apart. Every cake leaving this production line is a testament to human creativity enhanced by technology. The blend of precision engineering and culinary artistry creates desserts that are consistently perfect, yet uniquely imaginative. Who knew that a cake could be both a high-tech miracle and a heartfelt gift at the same time? There's something magical about watching a cake come to life. From raw ingredients to a golden baked masterpiece, then frosting, decoration, and final touches. The entire process is mesmerizing. Every cake carries care, precision, and creativity. Receiving one is more than enjoying a dessert. It's experiencing technology and artistry in perfect harmony. From birthdays to weddings, each cake brings joy and delight, showing that automation doesn't remove the human touch. It enhances it. Every slice, every decoration, every message is proof that technology can make moments unforgettable. The future of cake making is here. Automation, robotics, and technology allow us to scale creativity, maintain consistency, and deliver joy faster than ever before. But the essence remains the same. Every cake is made to delight, surprise, and bring people together. So what amazes you more? The flawless decorations, the handwritten messages, or the sheer speed of it all? Comment below and share your favorite part of this sweet, high-tech journey.